particular integral, that is a pi. We have simplified form of linear differential equation is f of d into y is equal to f of x. So pi is equal to 1 upon f of d into f of x. Method first is a shortcut method. त्यातला type first. If f of x is equal to e raised to ax, then pi is equal to 1 upon f of d. And what is the f of x value? That is e raised to ax. So e raised to ax. Replace d by a. So pi is equal to 1 upon d. Replace d by a. So here a into e raised to ax, where f of a is not equal to 0. If f of a is equal to 0, then pi is equal to x e raised to ax upon f dash of a, where f dash of a is not equal to 0, and then so on. Note first, if in bracket d minus a bracket complete raised to r into y is equal to e raised to ax, then means f of d is that y is equal to f of x. So 1 upon f of d minus a bracket complete raised to r e raised to ax is equal to x raised to r upon r factorial into e raised to ax. Then note 2, 1 upon f of d into a raised to x is equal to a raised to x upon f of log of a. And note 3, that is a 1 upon f of d into k is equal to k upon f of 0, means on the value of d, that is a 0. Let us start with our first example. Find CF and PI, means complementary function and particular function. So first example, d square plus 3d plus 2 bracket complete y is equal to e raised to minus 2x plus 5 raised to x plus 4. So for the finding the complementary function, simplified form is that f of d into y is equal to f of x. So put f of d into f of d is equal to 0. So d square plus 3d plus 2 is equal to 0. d square plus 2d plus d plus 2 is equal to 0. So d into d plus 2 plus 1 into d plus 2 is equal to 0. So d plus 1 into d plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore d is equal to minus 1 and minus 2. So our CF is equal to C1 e raised to minus x plus C2 e raised to minus 2x, because the roots are real and not repeated. So find PI. PI is equal to 1 upon f of d into f of x. So 1 upon f of d is means d square plus 3d plus 2, and f of x means e raised to minus 2x plus 5 raised to x plus 4. Then e raised to minus 2x upon d square plus 3d plus 2 plus 5 raised to x upon d square plus 3d plus 2 plus 4 upon d square plus 3d plus 2. Okay, so put the d is equal to minus 2. If the f of d is equal to 0, then find its derivative. So we roughly find out value of f of d. So minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 2 means that 4 minus 6 plus 2 means 0. So if it is a 0, then our rule is that is equal to x e raised to minus 2x upon f dash of d, means 2d plus 3. Okay, so 5 raised to x, a raised to x, that is a log of 5, means log of a square. 3 into log of a means 5 plus 2, and for that 4 upon k upon f of d means on the d is equal to 0, put d is equal to 0 means upon 2 is equal to x e raised to minus 2x. Put d is equal to minus 2 means minus 4 plus 3, that is a minus 1 plus 5 raised to x upon log of 5 square bracket square plus 3 into log of 5 plus 2 and 4 upon 2 means 2. Therefore, minus x e raised to minus 2x plus 5 raised to x upon log of 5 bracket complete square plus 3 log of 5 bracket complete plus 2 plus 2. So, y is equal to CF plus PI. So, CF is equal to C1 e raised to minus x plus C2 e raised to minus 2x plus means minus x e raised to minus 2x plus 5 raised to x upon log of 5 square plus 3 log of 5 plus 2 plus this 2 here 2 and this one is a y.